Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm introducing a 5G CPE router. So hope everyone knows the Jio and Airtel have established their 5G network across India, and most of them started using the 5G networks via 5G mobile. But unfortunately, we don't have much 5G routers available in India. Okay, so I was searching for a 5G router and I have managed to get a 5G router. Okay, so today I'm showing you how the Indian networks are working on our 5G router. So I have three SIMs: Jio, Airtel, and BSNL. Okay, this router will support 5G and 4G also, and it's made in China one. Okay, so actually this router it's very interesting one. So it have many capabilities actually, locking bands, locking the tower, such many options are there. So I will be showing in my upcoming videos for the advanced setups. Okay, so let's examine how the physical appearance of this router. Yeah, this is our modem. So it has uh, 5 LEDs. So one is power, and another one is Wi-Fi, and then 4G, 5G, then the signal strength. We have WPS switch also. Okay, and if we see this is a reset button. Here is the power adapter port, and here we can connect our telephone. And this is the SIM tray, and this is a USB-C port. Okay, so this one actually we can connect to laptop to enable the USB tethering or to access the ADB. Okay, and these are the LAN ports. And see, we can insert and eject the SIM like this. Okay, I have inserted the Jio SIM here. So let's and this is the adapter which came with this. So it has it's 12 volt and 2 ampere. Okay, and this is the pin which we need to connect to the back side, and it don't have any battery. Okay, so let's connect this to the power plug and see how the LEDs are working. So let me power on the router now. So you can see there is a power button, power LED is lighting. So let's wait for a few more minutes to boot up the modem. Okay, so Wi-Fi is enabled. Now it is searching for the network. Okay, so it's connected to the 4G, so that's why the 4G light is blinking. So I have placed this router near to the window, so now you can see the 5G light is active and the signal it is showing green. That means it's getting a good signal. So guys, so let me check the modem spec. So you can see in the Amazon.uk, the modem is listing. So it's currently unavailable. So if you see the modem peak, so it have these indicators: power, Wi-Fi, 4G, 5G, and signal strength. Okay, so let's see what is the spec actually. So the modem which I received, which has chipset of Unisoc IVY 510. Okay, so they have mentioned Qualcomm also available, but the one which I received have the socket of Unisoc, and then the main thing is the bands. Okay, 5G bands. So it have so many bands supported: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, total 8 bands are supported, and for 4G, so most of the bands are covered actually. Okay, so and it's showing the data download speed. For 5G, it will support around 2 Gbps, till 2 Gbps downloading speed, and 1 Gbps upload speed. And for 4G, it is 600 Mbps downloading speed and 150 upload speed. And it will support this VONR, VOLT, VoIP options. Okay, and it have a 5G. It have an adapter, so it don't have a battery. So DC adapter, it will be 12 volt and 2 ampere. And you have two Wi-Fi bands, 2.4 and 5G. Okay, and the antenna will be the internal antenna. So it will support carrier aggregation. MIMO is there. MIMO actually, so for 5G, it have 4x4 MIMO, and for G 2x4. So MIMO, what is MIMO actually? So if we see actually MIMO uses 4. See, if it is 4x4, it will be using 4 antennas to establish the connection. Okay, so what it will do, it will increase. Say if 4x4, if the MIMO is 4x4, then the download speed will increase for 100%. Okay, so for 4G download speed, it will support 4x4, and 5G it will support 4x4, and 4G it is 2x4, 2x2. Okay, so it have multiple options, so I'm not going to the depth. Okay, so now we can see actually the bands which are using in India. Okay, so you could see actually here too many bands are there. So for Geo mainly, the main bands are in 28 and in 78. Most of the areas, these two bands are there in 78 and 28. Okay, so here these many bands are listed. So if we check the modem spec, okay, so most of the bands are covered here. So only this N5 and N258, these two bands are missing. Okay, but all other bands are already covered. So it's a good option. So then the next one, this is the login prompt actually. So it will show actually what is the signal strength and the MAC and which DNS it is using, and what is the uptime, firmware version, everything. Okay, so here unfortunately the 5G signal strength is low. You could see it is SA standalone. So I have already put a Jio 5G SIM inside. Okay, so it have two users, super admin and admin. So I'm currently logging as an admin. So I will later I will describe actually what is the difference between the admin and super admin user. Okay, so I logged in. So it's an STC mode actually. Probably the modem it might be logged earlier with the network provider STC, and mm, the seller which from where I brought, probably he might be unlocked and he given to me. Okay, so anyway, I have tested actually Airtel, Jio, BSNL, all the SIMs are working fine without any issue. So here the operator it is showing IMS, but the real it's Geo. So signal strength, everything it is there. RSI. Here we can see current band. So it is N78. Okay. So DHCP, Wi-Fi, device information, all the things are there. What is the memory usage? What is the model? What is the CPU temperature? Those things are here. And in the internet function, see, we can see in different network modes. So here it is showing 5G. So for 4G only option is there, NSA only. So hope you are aware for this Airtel they are using NSA, not standalone, and Geo it is using SA. Okay, so if you select this SA plus NSA plus 4G, then it will automatically select with get the network actually. Okay, so it have flight mode, data switch, data roaming. So this if we are in a roaming, we need to enable this one actually. Then APN settings. Okay, here the APN list, I have added the APN manually, GeoNet. Okay, so the auto it was not picking up the Geo one, but for Airtel and BSNL it was picking out automatically. Okay, so for Geo I have added manually. Sim function enable. Okay, and Wi-Fi we can see actually it have 2.4G and 5G, two Wi-Fi settings, and WPS also there. If you go to the device settings, the LAN option is there actually, and firewall management. Okay, so we can set the password. Too many options are there. We can see the system log. Okay, if you want to upgrade the firmware, we can upgrade here. Okay, and network tool, if you need to capture and TCP dump or do the trace, those things we can do it here. And then if you want to reboot, then we can reboot the modem here actually. So these are the multiple options available here. Okay, so currently modem detected on 5G network. We can just log into that user. Okay, the signal strength is showing up like this. Okay, so let me see which band it is connected. So its current band it is 78. Let me run the speed test right now. Let's see how is the speed. Okay, it is achieving till 44 Mbps and upload speed around. Okay, it's waiting. Okay, we are getting the upload speed around 6 Mbps. You can see it's Geo. It's connected to the white field. here the signal strength is not much good actually. So if we are going if we are in town or something, then we might getting a good signal strength. And another thing here, the carrier aggregation is not enabled in my area. So if the carrier aggregation is enabled, it might be establishing the connection to another three networks. Means total it will establish 4 network connection, and the speed will increase by 40 percentage. Okay. Okay, then now let me switch the modem to 4G mode. And one more thing, here it is showing HD. HD means, see, it will support the voice also. Some settings 4G. Let me wait for some time. Okay. Now, okay, let me see what is the band it is selected. Okay, now we can see it's established 4G connection. We could see it's 4G plus. Okay, so current band, so it's selected band 40. Okay, and it's established 2 into 2 MIMO. Okay, so carrier aggregation is enabled for 4G here. So let me see what is the speed for 4G I'm getting. Okay, it's approximately 9.1 Mbps and upload is 2 Mbps. Okay, so probably you have noticed one thing here. Okay, while we select the 5G, it was not showing 5G plus. Okay, because since the carrier aggregation is not enabled in my hometown, my area, so the 5G plus is not there. So if 5G carrier aggregation is enabled, then it could have established 4 network connection. So we could see 4 bands might be listing here. Okay. So again, I'm going to select SNS. So let's see. Okay. So see. So it's selected 5G, and we could see the HD option also came. So these are the basic settings in my modem. And see, so we can improve the signal strength of the modem by placing different areas, maybe near to a window. Or now I have inserted the BSNL SIM. So I'm in Kerala, so the BSNL 4G is available here. So you could see the network mode, it's 4G, operator is BSNL. Okay, so let's see which band it is using. So current band it is 1. Okay, so BSNL actually in Kerala only one band it is available, so that is band 1. BSNL 4G is running only in band 1. Okay, and if we see the internet function, I have selected 4G only. APN settings. Okay, if you see the settings, see, okay, BSNL things are already there. So BSNL net, let me save BSNL net here, confirm. Okay, here the carrier aggregation is not there for BSNL, so that's why the plus symbol is missing here, and only one band is available here. So let me see what is the speed I'm getting. Okay, it's around 4.6 Mbps. Now I have inserted the Airtel SIM, so you can see it's showing mobile office. And if you go to the internet function, okay, network mode 4G only, APN, we can see the mobile office APN, it is already picked up. So here I could see the Airtel, it is showing good signal strength. Let's see what is the current band. Okay, it's selected the band one. So unfortunately there is no carrier aggregation here for Airtel. So let's see what is the speed I'm getting for Airtel. Okay, so download speed around 4.4 Mbps and uploading speed around 1.1. Okay, so unfortunately I don't have the 5G plan for this Airtel, so I cannot show you the 5G setup for Airtel. But since you can see here, actually see this SA plus NSA, so it will support the Airtel's NSA 5G also. So most of the all the networks it is supporting here: Airtel, Jio, VI, BSNL. Okay, so hope you know, actually for BSNL only very limited areas it have 4G. Okay, so some other areas it might be 3G network actually. Okay, so the 3G it cannot be enabled actually this with this admin user. Okay, but we have option to enable just the 3G network. We should log in with the super admin user. Okay, once we logged in, then we will get more options. Okay, I will show you actually this things details in my next video. Okay, so I'm winding up the video here. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Bye.